Hey, this is Wendell Helton with Helton Construction. I want to point out a product that I found that has made life easier, and that is magnets for the access panel for tile. We used a grate. We caulked the tile in. It was a constant pain in the butt to find a nice access panel for these jetted tubs. So for 15 years, we fought that. Now, they've put a man on the moon and created magnets. So what we do is we install these magnets behind the tile in our substrate, which is a Den Shield tile backer on this one. And we install the little metal plates where the magnets go. Voila. So then what we'll do is we'll grout this in, we'll silicone this in again, and it'll be done. I had to get into it because plumber doesn't know that hot's on the left and cold's on the right when you're in the fixture, not out of the fixture. So we had it plumbed backwards. So we had to get in there and change that. So cool idea. Maybe help you guys out, get rid of the ugly looking white metal vents and make the missus happy. All right, if you'd like to know more stuff about our company, go to helton-construction.com. Hope you guys have a good day.